In this video, we are going to explain the functionalities of the SuiteCRM Backup and Restore Manager plugin. In the Admin section, click on the Module Loader option. Here, you will see the Backup and Restore plugin is installed on CRM. Again, go to the Admin panel and then click on the License module. Here, you can see the plugin is verified and active. Now, go to the Database Backup settings in the Admin section and create a new backup configuration. First, we'll give a name to the new setting. Then choose Tables from the drop-down that you would like to create the backup for. After that, you can schedule the time at which you want to create the backup automatically. Here, we're creating backups 3 times a day. You can choose the number of backups per day you want. Enter an email address here at which you would like to receive the notification of backup creation. In the end, click on the Save button at the bottom. In the detailed view, you'll be able to see all the details you filled in. In the subpanel below, you can see the currently scheduled backups as well. Go to the top and then click on the Immediate Backup button. Click on the OK button when asked if you want to proceed. The backup is created successfully. Click on the View Backup option to see. In this section, you'll see the name, type, size, and other information. You can store this backup file on your local server. Click on this button for local restoration. Here you can see the status is in process. Now refresh the page and you can see process is complete. You can store this backup file on remote server or even download the backup file to your computer as we did here. The functionalities do not end here. With this plugin you can also create the backup of your entire CRM instance as well. For this, you need to create a new instance backup setting from the Admin panel. Give an appropriate name to the setting. Then schedule a date and time for the backup. Enter the email address for notification. Also, enable the admin email checkmark for notifying the administrator regarding the backup. Click on the Save button and confirm the details you filled in. After that, click on the Immediate Backup button at the top. Click on the OK button when asked if you want to proceed. The instance backup will be created by now. To see, go to the View Instance Backup section and refresh the page. Here is the name of the backup file, type, and size of the backup. Click on the download link to see all the files and folders. As you can see, we have also received an email notifying us that a backup has been created along with its name. Thanks for watching.